So a quick update on my Bambu Labs X1E 3D printer. I can't remember the name exactly. I'm used to the X1 Carbon, but this is the E, which is the new updated version. You can see my printer stand is still vacant. I ordered this October 26th from Matter Hackers, and I got an update because I inquired on November 22nd, and they said that the new stock date, which was originally supposed to have been November 17th, is now January the 15th. So it's going to completely miss Christmas and some other stuff, and I've got to wait that long. I haven't ordered any filament. I'm kind of glad I haven't, but if anybody else has ordered one, it's going to be at least January. I had the option of getting my money refunded, but I didn't want to lose my place in the queue for the pre-order. They gladly took my money back in October, but it's going to be January.